You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more Native American names as well, and names of famous places for around the US, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Susquehanna is derived from the Delaware Indian name. Well, it means in Delaware Indian name, river oyster is what it means. Susquehanna. Susquehanna is how you say it. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of words and names that many get confused by. You won't anymore after watching those. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.